If you're encountering the message, a server communication error has occurred on your Nintendo Switch, it's likely due to weak Wi-Fi, DNS problems, or router issues, not just a random glitch. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change your DNS. Go back to System Settings, scroll down to Internet, then tap on Internet Settings. Select and open your Wi-Fi network. Now choose Change Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings and set this to Manual. Tap on the primary DNS section. Then enter the DNS 1.1.1.1 and hit OK. After that, tap on the secondary DNS section and enter 1.0.0.1 and hit OK. Now save your changes. In most cases, the issue will be gone after this. Solution 2. Restart your switch and router. Yeah, I know it's basic, but your switch and Wi-Fi are just like any other mechanical device, and a little kick on the back can definitely jumpstart it. So first, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back. After that, get your switch in hand, hold the power button for 5 seconds, tap Power Options, now select Restart. This clears connection bugs on both sides, and see if the issue is now fixed or not. That's all for now. These are the top solutions to fix a server communication has occurred error on the Switch. If this works for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share in the comments what did the trick. Stay tuned for more real Nintendo fixes coming your way.